Hi everyone, Hans from Snare. Today, I'm excited to walk you through an important update for securing your log communication. We're going to cover how to set up mutual TLS or MTLS for Snare agents. With MTLS, we're enabling stronger authentication and encryption to make sure your logs are protected while in transit. This guide is specifically for Devo customers, and I'll take you through every step. So let's get started. Step 1. First, we need to grab some details from the Devo environment. So let's log into Devo. Then go into Administration and select Relays and ELBs. At the top, click on Event Load Balancer. So take note. The syslog default address, which is us.elb.relay.logtrust.net, and the port number, which is 443. Once you've written that down, click on the three dots on the right-hand side and select Download Certificate. Now in my environment, you'll see multiple certificates available. Make sure you download the correct one for authentication. If you don't have one, you can create a new certificate by clicking Create New Certificate on the top right-hand corner. Once the certificate is created, find the PKCS12 link. When you click it, you'll be able to download the certificate file and view the private key password. Make sure you save that password somewhere secure. You'll need it later. Click Download to download the certificate, and remember where you saved it in your system. You'll also need this later. Step 2. Next, we need to import the certificate into Windows. First, place the certificate in a directory you can easily find, like your desktop. Then, open Certificate Manager for your computer certificates and go to Personal Certificates. Right-click an empty space, go to All Tasks, and then click Import. Click Next and browse to where you saved the certificate. Now make sure your File Explorer shows all file types, or you might not see the certificate file. Select the certificate once found and click Open. Click Next. First, enter the private key password you got from Devo. When prompted, select Mark the key as exportable. Then click Next. Select the option to automatically place the certificate in the correct store. This will ensure the root CA certificate is placed in the Trusted Root Certification Authority store, and the client certificate goes to the Personal Certificate store. Click Next and then Finish. After that, refresh the Certificate Manager and double check that everything is in the right place. Make sure you can see the certificate under Trusted Root Certification Authorities listed as Log Trust CA, and the client certificate under Personal Certificates. Once you confirm those, you're all set with the certificate import. Step 3. Now let's configure the Snare agent. Go to the Destination Configuration page in the Snare agent and enter the following details. For domain or IP, enter us.elb.relay.logtrust.net. For port, set this to 443. For protocol, choose MTLS. For certificate, select the certificate you just imported. And last, for format, set this to Devo. Once you've entered all this correct, scroll down and click Update Destination. Then apply the configuration and restart the Snare agent service. Step 4. After the agent restarts, log back into the Snare agent and go to the latest event section. Here, you'll see all the key details to confirm everything is working. The domain and the port you configured, the protocol set to MTLS, the connection status, which should say connected, and the throughput rate, showing the number of events being sent per second. At the bottom, you'll see the logs successfully transmitting to Devo. And that's it. You've successfully set up the MTLS for the Snare agent with Devo. This ensures your logs are secure, encrypted, and authenticated every step of the way. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the snare team. We're always here to help. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day.